Can we prevent death and reverse aging? Life is defined as a self-replicating, evolving system, and death as the irreversible loss of an organism's ability to function as a coherent whole, even while many cells remain alive. For example, organ donation is possible because individual cells or organs can live after the body's death. According to Venki Ramakrishnan, a Nobel Prize-winning structural biologist renowned for his groundbreaking work on the ribosome, the molecular machine that builds proteins in all living cells, aging is a gradual breakdown, not a switch. Aging isn't one neat event but a slow unraveling. Proteins, DNA, and mitochondria accumulate damage over time. Cells can either die purposefully to keep the organism functioning or accumulate defects. Certain cell types, senescent cells in particular, help prevent cancer but can also trigger inflammation and disease when they build up. So while scientific curiosity drives us to understand and mitigate the frailties of aging, death itself remains a fundamental part of the biological and possibly existential human condition. The more urgent and ethical pursuit is to ensure that the years we have are lived in good health and with purpose. How do we achieve this? 1. Caloric restriction and drugs like rapamycin, also called sirolimus, have shown lifespan extension in animal studies. Fasting is important in longevity. Rapamycin slows down a key cellular pathway called mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin. The mTOR pathway acts like a nutrient and growth sensor. When it's active, cells grow, divide, and build proteins. By inhibiting mTOR, rapamycin reduces cellular growth signals, shifts cells toward maintenance and repair, and alters metabolism and immune responses. 2. Cellular reprogramming, for example using Yamanaka factors, might reset some aging features. Yamanaka factors are a specific set of 4 genes, proteins that can reprogram mature, adult cells back into a stem cell-like state. They were discovered in 2006 by Shinya Yamanaka, who later won the 2012 Nobel Prize for this work. The 4 Yamanaka factors are often abbreviated as OSKM. 3. Evolution doesn't care about death. It favors traits that help organisms survive long enough to reproduce, not traits that extend life indefinitely. So death isn't genetically programmed, it's a consequence of evolutionary trade-offs and imperfect repair systems. So keep having babies as long as you can and as long as you can afford to raise them as happy, independent, responsible kids. 4. Young blood infusion into older person. However, this has many ethical issues. 5. Focus on health span, not just lifespan. The goal should be extending the number of healthy, functional years, health span, not just the total number of years alive. 6. The best current proven strategies for a longer, healthier life are not futuristic. A balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and strong social connections. Aging is a biological process. Aging isn't programmed, it's a result of the gradual accumulation of cellular and molecular damage. Evolution selects for traits that promote reproduction, not for maintaining the body indefinitely. The hallmarks of aging include factors like genomic instability, telomere shortening, and loss of protein fidelity, which are areas of intense scientific study. There is no near-term cure for death. The clear consensus is that there is no current scientific breakthrough that will allow humans to become immortal. Death from aging is not a disease to be cured with a single pill. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.